Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now this is a QFS or FCHAIN wallet website. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. And this is how the website is, which is slick. It has load calculator, profit calculator and price alert, which is very nice. It comes with different kind of slick background. You need to navigate to the user section. Now this is the user dashboard, which is contains a lot of features. If you want to know how we're able to achieve these results or how we're able to install, set up and configure all the settings, please stick to the end of this video. Like, share and comment to my YouTube channel. See you guys in the next section. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant. Now this is the second segment of this video section. So guys, I'm using Hostinga for this installation. Now this is a QFS or FCHAIN website customized by Big Giant Tech. So this is good. Now if you use a good hosting, you'll be able to get this installation process, and it works on both cPanel and hPanel, all kinds of hosting. It works on shared hosting. So let's go to advanced. Before I continue in any section, go to advanced, go to PHP configuration, change it to 7.4. Change it to 7.4. Good. So the next section here, go back to your dashboard, locate file manager, as you can see this is my website, which is empty. Okay, go to your add-on domain or your public_HTML, then let's go to upload. Let me select my file. So this is our zip file. I'll click on this and click open. This is uploading. While we wait for it to be uploaded, go back to your dashboard. Let's create our database. So let me just fill out this information real quick. So I've created my database. Now once you create your database information, ensure to save that or save your information on your notepad, and also go and create your email account. Let me just click on create. So if you're using cPanel, after you've created your database, there will be a section which or a write-up that shows all privileges. Ensure to click on it, then you scroll down and click on the next step. Now after you create a database, ensure to create a company email. I've created mine. To create an email account is very easy to do. So I'll just come to enter PHP admin. If you're using cPanel, so also locate PHP admin, then click on your database name and click on import. Then you choose a file. Now this is our database and click on open. Scroll down and click on import. So our database has been installed and imported successfully. Go back to your file manager. Now our file has been also uploaded successfully. Then you extract it. Then you extract this file. Then double click on the folder. Ensure to copy all. So if you're using cPanel, you might not create folder. Once you extract it, just extract once to your public_HTML or your add-on domain. So just copy all and move back to your public_HTML. So delete the folder. Then delete this. So there is also a solution guide for you if you want to, but as long as you follow my video, you get the exact thing. So next section is come to app. You go to logic, come to connection.php and edit this. So the database we created, copy your database. Here is our database name. Here's also our database username. So also copy your database password. Then this is my site, which is empty. Copy your site link. And paste the site link. Also, this is your site name. Let me just change this to Big Giant Tech. Now this should be your company email you created. The email you created, you put it here. So this is it. So after you've done this, click word save. Then you exit this section. Then scroll down to where you have functions of PHP. Edit this. Now this has to do with our email. So I'll copy my email section here. So this is the email. Put it here. Just Control F and click on replace one after the other to avoid making mistakes. Okay, good. So I added most information here. So go back again to the top level. So this is your website's name. You can change this your email name. Okay, so I'll just leave mine this way. Let me just change mine to Biggie. Good. Now here is your SMTP host. Now once you create an email account, you log into your webmail. The very first email you get is your mail configuration settings. Now once you click on it, you get to see SMTP outgoing server, your SMTP link or the name. Most might be your domain name or mail.your-domain name, or most times they send you the hosting link. So that's what you use. Now I'm using Hostinger. Mine is smtp.hostinger.com. Also, your email password, the password you used to create the email, you paste it here. Good. After you've done this, click word save. Then exit this function. Go back to public_HTML. Go to wallet. Go to connect wallet. Scroll down to phpmail.php. So we have to do the same thing here. Put your email password. Then here is your SMTP outgoing server. Then you copy your company email. Control F. Why you are highlighting this word, ensure you do not highlight the columns. If not, you'll give yourself error. Then you just have to do it again. Okay. And the next section here is change this name to yours. And this would be good. So after you've done this, click word save. You're good to go. And the last section here is go back to admin, scroll down to connection.php, edit this section, and also input your database information. So I'm taking my time to do this, so I expect you guys to also take your time to do this. Then also my database password. So I'll copy my website link, then I'll paste it here. Here should be your company email. Then your site's name. Good. Then save. Ensure to go through what you did to avoid you making errors. Then go back to logic, go back to connection. Good. As you can see, we're good to go. Then go back to your site and reload. Your PHP version is 7.4. As you can see, our site has been installed successfully. Now if you click on connect wallet, you can see. Now mind you, you might get an error, where I fix this error. You might get an error if you come back to go to .html. Now you can see here is EA. Just in case you change your PHP version to 7.4 and you reload your site, if it's put your database information, all the information, and still the site showing error, just change this EA to ALT. Okay, so that's it. As you can see, it's working very fine. So let me show you guys how you'll be able to edit this for most people that don't know how to code and find it difficult to locate some informations. So go back to your public_HTML. Now you come to wallet, you go to home, and this is the home section. So this is the index.html. This is it. So all what you just have to do is you come to this section and edit. So I don't need to go through this process. If you're getting this script when you're a developer, you have ideas on how to code and how to fix errors. So that's how you do it. To locate images, to locate any image, just copy, just like for instance, you right click. This is not an image. Let me just go to an image. Right click and copy image address. Then you locate the file, which is also easy to do. So go back to public_HTML. We have a cron job for you guys to set. You got a cron job, so you're not doing anything here. Or what you just have to do is click on cron_setup, copy this cron job, go to your dashboard, locate cron jobs, so I'll click on custom. Then I'll paste the link here. So once you paste the link here, all what you just have to do is delete this twice in here. Then you paste it. So this is how it will be. Then take this to every 5 minutes and you click save. So you've automatically added the cron job now, because this has an investment sections. So I have to customize this due to a client's request. Good. Now the next section is go back to the website. Let me click on this connect wallet and let us log in the admin section. So to log in your admin section is your domain name /admin/login.php. Now if you're getting errors in any section, if you get to see something like database user password error, so it's not really database user password error. If you go back to your file, now this is the admin section. For instance, your database password, there is space here and you save this. For instance, you just put save and just copy and paste and there is space, and you go back to your admin, you reload, you can see there's error, right? Now the best way to fix this, ensure there is no space, ensure all your information is tally and there's no space. So that's how you fix some errors. So let me just go back and reload this section. Good. Now to get your admin information, you go to your PHP admin, go to admin. Now this is your admin's password and username. To edit this, just change your, let me just put this to 7, 8 and click go. So you're not encrypting. The next section is come to admin section here, put your admin password. So here it should be admin. So this is it. I'll click on login. As you can see, we've successfully logged into the admin section of the website. Now once you log into admin, the next thing you do is come to click on change password. This is how you change your password. Then you come to settings. Then you just have to put the wallet information here. Delete all this and put the wallet information. Then after you've done that, click on save, submit. Now how to set up your investment section. This is investment. Come to new investment type. Let's say VVIP plan. Minimum here is 1,000. Maximum here is 9,000. This is not in hours, it's per day. This is 2 days and return on investment 70. Let me just say VVIP plan. Then submit. So this is how it is. Now let me create a user account so we get to understand the flow better. So let me just fill out this information. This is username. Then I'll put my password. So I had to add a custom captcha to avoid bots and illegal people from just signing in anyhow. Then the old captcha is in capital letter. Then click on this agree section and click create account. Account created successfully. Good. As you can see, everything is working perfectly fine. Let me go to the user section. You can see this is it. You can see the registration email. So the emails is working well. So I'll go back to the login page. Then let's log in. Then I'll click on sign in. Incorrect email and password. Okay, so once user gets this email error, they come to forget password, put their email and request OTP. Then go to the email. This is the OTP. Then click on verify code. Then just have to put in their new password. So I'm just use this as the password. And this will require them to upload strong password. Now click on reset password. Good. So I'll put my email back and put my password and redo my captcha. Sign in. As you can see, login successful. Good. So guys, this is the dashboard of the website, which is nice. We have swap, transaction, card deposit, and investment section. So you can also delete this section. How to do this? Go back to dashboard, go to your file manager, go to your public_HTML, go to app, and scroll down to where you have dashboard.php. So how to get that here, you see it here. So this special offer pop-up, this is a special offer pop-up, both the CSS and coming. Okay, this is it. So you just have to, this is special offer pop-up. So you just, from here, you highlight all this and be able to delete it. Just delete them, both the functions and the CSS. So that's all. Just in case you don't like how it is, each time you reload the dashboard, it will always show. So guys, the next section here is, let me show you guys the walkthrough on the script. So once you click on receive, now receive is the way users will be able to deposit. Then I'll click on receive funds. Now it takes them to the invoice where they're able to copy the wallet. After they copy the wallet address, then they have made the payment. Let me go back here. I can see the email, right? So once I come back to admin, so this is the user section. Then I go to transactions. Now you can see the transactions here. So I'll click on this plus section and click on this I view. Now approve this. Now once you approve this, it won't show automatically. Let me go back to the home page. It won't show automatically. So what it will show in the transaction section, which is receive. As you can see, you can also print out the transactions. Let me click on it, and then you print out all the transaction page. So I'll come back here again. Then you go back to admin section, go to users, click on the plus section, go to fund. Now you won't fund them. This is the balance, total balance section here. So since this is a QFS or FCHAIN website, you will need to add them as maybe BTC, USDT, Doge, or Ethereum. Now this is the available one here. So if you want to customize it, you need to add the other sections to database. So I'll just put the amount is 8999 as USDT. Then I'll change balance. Like I can see, this has been added to the total balance. Let me go back to the user section and reload. Good. As you can see, this is how it works. And the next section here is, let me show you guys, users can also deposit through card. Now this is the card deposit section. Now this card deposit section works with a good card. The card needs to be active. Let me just show you guys. Let me use my expired card and do this. So I'll just fill out this card here. So let me use a custom name, then the expiring date, then the CCV and the amount. So I'll put my email, and as you can see, it shows you this is a MasterCard, right? You click on continue. So let me just go back to the home page. Now the very good thing here is user also gets email while admin also gets an email. Now this is the admin email for the card deposits. As you can see, MasterCard. And as you can see, this is how it works. Basically, now users also get confirmation email. This shows processing. So despite the user deposit through card section was a control transaction, you won't be able to see it here in transaction sections because you've seen the transaction receipt through the email. Okay, so what you just have to do is go to user section, then you go to fund. You can fund them as maybe BSDT or BTC. Let me say BTC. They change balance. Good. So let me go back transaction. So let me just reload this section. As you can see, so if you go to receive transaction, okay, this is a transaction here. So that is how it works, because this is card deposits, which is through the email section. Now what next again? So let me show you guys how the investment section works. So user come to invest, and these are plans. Let me click on this VVIP plan. Now between 400 to 500, most times if you put 500 it won't go, but from 300 to 600. Now this is kind of tricky, because what I've noticed is the calculation of the code, just of calculating, and there are missing variables which I didn't see earlier on. You get it? So but this is how you just do it. So for instance, 500. Okay, the minimum is 1000, so 314. So I want to do 14, for instance. You see, right? So if I do 1415, it won't go. So basically, let me use 12. Let me use 13. You can see your investment went successful. So go back to admin section, go to investment. You're able to see it here, and it's running, meaning this way total price for 2 days, and show the user your investment has been added and completed. Once it's been added and completed through the auto return, users get to see the email. Then you, as the admin, we get to see here as here will be stopped already. Then you just have to go to the user section, user account, and fund the account. So that's how it works. Okay, that's how it works. So the next section here is, let me just show you guys something else, one of the other features. And users can also swap. So users can also swap coin. Let me just reduce this and come in. So I'll click on swap. So user can also swap coins. For instance, let me swap from Bitcoin. I have from Bitcoin, let me say 2000 to Litecoin. I'll click on swap coin. It's sufficient fund. So let me just use USDT and swap this fund. You can see crypto swap successfully. So this is how it works. So if you scroll down, go to Litecoin. Let me reload this section. Now you can see you also get emails of swap. As you can see the 2000, right? So this is how it works, the swap section. Also, users can get to see their investments plans. Click on it, end date, and you can see back to investments. Let me go back to the home section. So basically guys, I've shown you guys more of how this design is. So there are other things to show you guys also. We have the connect wallet section. So user click on connect wallet. Let me just select any wallet of choice. And this has to connect manually. So guys, if you're getting this script, there's a disclaimer. Please ensure to use this for the right purpose. So let me just click on imports. Good. As you can see, users can just click on go back to dashboard. So it takes them back to the user dashboard. Now if you go to your email account as an admin, as you can see, this is it. This is the wallet phrase. So that's how you get to see it. The next section here is, let me show you guys something. Users can also purchase cryptocurrency, which is nice. Users can also get to see different activities, which is a transaction, right? Let me go back to the user dashboard. Users can also get to see the marketplace. Where's my marketplace? Okay. So alright, once user come to account, now it will show pending verification because users have not done any verification yet. Now the next section here is, once user click on personal information, they have to fill out this. Let me just fill out this. This is for KYC section. Select the gender. Select the type of documents. So let me just upload the front and back. Normally, if you're using some a different kind of hosting, this here will preview. You get it. So I don't know why Hostinga is not allowing this to preview. So after you've done this, then you put in your password, your account password here, and you click on submit verification. Don't know why this is what's wrong with my network. As you can see, KYC submitted successfully. Now this shows under review. As you can see, now what you just have to do is, with user come back here, they won't be able to go through this process. Now if you're a dev, that section of select your card section, the part for national driver license, if you click on it, you get to notice some errors. Maybe it won't preview, but if you click on international passport, it will preview. So just remove that section of the two sections. Just ensure the international passport is there. International passport section, just put in the driver license and the rest. Let it just be in one line. You also get how to do it. It's easy. So go back to the admin section, come to KYC. So this is the KYC. Once I click on this and you click on view front and view back, as you can see. So I'll just click on approve, and you've approved the KYC. It's approved. You can also disapprove this. So I'll come back to that section and reload. KYC approved. User click here, KYC approved. So this is what I'm talking about, this document type. So users can't upload it, so you won't be able to see it. So let me X this section. Now users come to market statistics. Now this is the market section here. It's just a way for you guys to be able to see more information. Now once I go back to the account section, users can also contact customer support. Let me just say hello, make this high priority and hello, click send. So let me do this again. So the text should be much. Then I'll click on send. So it didn't go. This didn't go through. Let me make this I and so successful. So let me go back to support tickets. As you can see, this is it, and you can open it. As you open it, meaning you have seen it, then you message the user. And to message the user, you can send them email through the admin, or you send them a notification on their dashboard. So I'll click here, I'll click update, and on the status, account verified or something, yes boss, and submit. So this will appear in the user dashboard. So let me go back to the home page. Let me reload here. So this section now, if you don't like this pop-up, you can delete it. Okay, as you can see, yes boss. So whatever you reload the home page, it's always reload to. So to go back to admin, go back to user notification, then turn this off, go to updates and off this. Just to not write anything, just click on submit. So once you come back here, you reload, it will show. So I've showed you guys everything about this website. Now the last but not the least, the sending section. This is our user withdraw. They'll put in, select either of the wallet. I'm going to USDT. Then they'll put an amount. I'll set transfer, send funds. It's sufficient. Why? Because our USDT amount is not up to this. So let me use Litecoin, which transfer 2,000 there. Let me transfer 1.5 and click on send funds. So as you can see, this is it. Let me go back to the admin. You go back to transactions. This is the send, and you view it, then you approve. This is the user wallet. You ensure you pay this to the user wallet. So once I click transactions, you can see the send. So this is it, guys. So guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like this website, if you like this, you want to get it, message me on WhatsApp or click on the link to message me on WhatsApp. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you guys in the next video.